We are doing multi-step equations. You can solve equations that require more than 2 steps. They are called multi-step equations. You can easily solve a multi-step equations by distributive property along with a little adding and subtracting. The standards are 8EE7, 8EE7A, and 8EE7B. Vocabulary: multiplicative inverse, 2 numbers with the product of 1. Coefficient, number or factor of a term that contains a variable. Properties, statements that are true for any number. Two-step equation contains 2 operations. Null set, no solution. Identify, an equation that is true for every value of the variable. The first equation. Negative 1/2 x minus 7 equals negative 11. You must put 7 on each side to combine like terms, and you'll get negative 1/2 x equals negative 4. Then you divide each by 1/2 and you get x equals 8. Now for the next one. 8 times 4 minus 2x equals 4 times 3 minus 5x plus 4x. You must... x equals 2, so you have to plug in for x. Then you have to do distributive property. Once you do that, 0 equals negative 20, which doesn't equal, so there is no solution to this problem. 6n minus 3 times negative 3n plus 2 equals negative 24 plus 6n. You do distributive property for the parentheses, and you get 6n plus 9n minus 6 equals negative 24 plus 6n. Combine like terms, and you get 15n minus 6 equals negative 24 plus 6n. Minus 6n on each side to get 9n minus 6 equals negative 24. You plus 6 on each side, and you get 9n equals negative 18. You divide each by 9 and you get n equals negative 2. The word problem is for your turn. Mr. Richards' class is holding a canned food drive for charity. Juliet collected 10 more cans than Rosanna. Santiago collected twice as many cans as Juliet. If they collected 130 cans altogether, how many cans did Rosanna collect? Then you find the variable for each one. Once you find each variable, you make an equation. Then you start solving the equations by adding like terms, subtracting, and dividing to get the right answer, which Rosanna had 25 cans. Conclusion: make sure to equal it out on both sides. It's used in everyday life. It's only hard if you don't try. Always know your variables. Thank you.